Epic universe. We're in. We queued and then we queued and then we queued. So we've been queuing for the last. How long have we been in line for?
42 minutes.
42 minutes. It's going to be worth it, I'm sure. It looks fantastic.
Oh, it's a dragon.
I have no idea where we're going. This is so strange to be in a new park. I want to cry. I'm so excited.
Sure, that's really. What is it? Nintendo and the races.
The Helios Grand Hotel.
Closer, little lab rats. Come closer. I won't hurt you. Yet. I sense fear in your hearts. You're right to be afraid. Darkness lies ahead. Now is the time to abandon hope.
I am Igor. My job is to get you through this experiment in one paper. Look closely. This is a catacombs navigation unit. All you little lab rats and your little lab rat friends get to ride one. Use it, Igor steals, nothing goes wrong. Yes?
I am Dr. Victoria Frankenstein. Today, you chosen few will witness my greatest discovery yet. Quickly. Now, these people are friends.
We just got off. What was that ride called? You know, Monsters Unleashed, was it? Monsters Unleashed, Harry Potter vibes. And I hit the back of my head once because I was leaning forward slightly, so just keep your head right back. It was really good. A lot going on. There's a lot going on that ride, but very good. Yeah, give it about 6 out of 10. Oh, Frankenstein Monsters Unleashed. 90 minutes now. Flipping it. I'll add as well that it gave me a haunted Halloween Horror Nights vibe, definitely. That ride. This one looks good. I don't know.
That one. To the left, or is it to you?
This ride is called Curse of the Werewolf. You may become a wolf. That was fantastic. I think I preferred that to Monsters Unleashed, actually. Curse of the Werewolf. Really, really good. Do you want to stop with some food?
Yeah, a pint.
Yeah. We're going in the Burning Blade Tavern.
My friends, well, I appreciate it.
Of course, yeah.
Thank you.
You like blood, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I love
Because
blood.
it's a main ingredient in this, you know.
Yeah.
Especially if you're a vampire, you're gonna be very happy with this drink, alright?
Is the blood from locally produced?
Some of our mess.
Ah, right.
It's a mixture of everything, so
Yeah.
that way you get the full experience with that. But it's also going to keep you safe from those werewolves, alright?
Right.
I'll show you why. I'm going to mix this potion right here. Nice. And then right over here is going to be a werewolf repellent, okay? It lasts maybe about 2 hours, so you're going to have to come back at some point and refuel, okay?
Okay, no
If I
problem.
don't see you guys back here, I'm going to assume that you guys became werewolves, alright?
That is cool.
Yeah, or the house guy.
Yeah.
One of the two. Alright.
Oh,
Take who's next down here if anybody's ready.
There's that purifier for you.
thank you.
Did you go to magic school?
I went to magic school in my mind.
Ah, well listen, we all have magic schools in our minds, don't we? Indeed, yes. Au revoir, my darling. Thank you so much for popping by. Enjoy your day.
The pleasure has been as much mine
Oh.
as I'm sure it was
I
yours.
think Cindy really likes you.
We just went on pickup swing glider and we were on row 1 at the front. Fantastic. It was really good, wasn't it? Really
good.
Really quick. But it was, yeah, fantastic. The next one we're on now is Dragon Racers Rally, which apparently you can spin on. And then we're going to go over to Stardust Racers and hopefully get on that one. We just went on Dragon Racers and we tried spinning it. The record is apparently 44 spins by an expert dragon spinner. I didn't manage one, but it was good. I'm out of breath now trying to spin that. This show is called The Untrainable Dragon. You can record before but not during the show. So we couldn't meet Toothless because there was a huge queue. We went in to see the show rather than... Yeah, we're going to go down to... Handy wanted to go and see the show, so by the time we came out there was a massive queue. Might pop over and see if we can meet him after. There was one thing that we didn't manage to do that I wanted to do today, but we'll be back, I'm sure. So the show we went to see, which was The Untrainable Dragon, was good, wasn't it? Yeah? Lots of singing and dancing and dragons.
Baby dragons.
Oh, that's cute. Thank you. Even the benches are themed around you. Stardust Racers. Stardust, what did you think?
Oh. Best ride here so far.
Best ride here so far. The response of everyone riding it, we were all clapping and cheering, and oh my gosh, that's my favourite ride in the world. We were on green team, there's green or yellow, and absolutely awesome. That is really good. It takes you off your seat about 5 or 6 times. It swaps you from side to side. Sometimes it feels as if you're going to touch the other car. If you reached out, you could touch them because you could see their faces as you rushed by. Oh, it was fantastic. And everybody was smiling. Everybody came off there saying how amazing it was. It really was. So yeah, that's awesome ride.
by our houses.
Oh yeah,
That's all right.
that would be nice. This is the most impressive area, I think. I know, this is the most impressive area. Wow. So for most of the activities around here, there's a few different games you can go on as well. You have to buy a band. The bands are $45 each.
Go through with you, isn't the castle?
Yeah.
Can we come in?
Yes. We've got these eggs. I don't know what they do in front of us. I don't know. We just did the Donkey Kong ride. Yeah, it was good. Really sort of whacks you around a lot. So yeah, it's good though. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah?
Yeah, quick, it's alright.
Yeah. Just
Yeah,
do
it
it.
shows you about a bit, mate.
Yeah, it does. Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. Smoker or a vapor, you go past the entrance to Stardust Racers and that sign there, you take a right and that's the designated smoking area. We're in Helios at the moment, just coming to have a look around. Oh, there's a bar down here as well. They got a rooftop bar, so we're going to see if we can come there. Don't need a reservation, it's walk-ins, but it's first come first served. So, and we're both starving now, so it's a bad idea on this. So we got pizzas.
Got gyros.
Oh, have they?
Chicken and beef. Which one have them? Margaritas.
Yeah? Nice. So there is a bar upstairs. Good call, Pandy. Pandy asked whether is dress code, and there is a dress code, smart casual. No open-toed shoes and no tank tops. No gym shorts either. So yeah, hopefully we'll get to experience that after, but never know. Just to finish off the day, we went on Stardust Racers twice. We went, well, 3 times we've done it all together. We went on the green, then the yellow, and then we went front row green just now. Front row just is definitely the best way. Front row green. Well, we haven't done front row yellow. We could. There's no line now, so we could go and queue up and go on again. But oh, what a ride! What a ride! That has impressed me out of everything today. That's impressed me the most. So we're gonna shoot off and say goodbye to Epic Universe until October. It's been a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you very much for joining us. And yeah, I can't wait to come back in October. It's just epic.